Mrs. Allison just stood in solidarity with the family of Arnold Joseph as the family held a vigil for the slain teen on Wednesday. Je knows well what it is like to have a loved one snatched away by violence. Her son, 26-year-old Botham Je, was shot and killed by an off-duty Dallas police officer in his apartment. Arnold Joseph was allegedly shot by local police when the driver of the vehicle he was in failed to comply with police orders to stop. There have been several calls for police accountability following the fatal shooting of the teen. The family is also bothered by the lack of communication from the police on the case.
I am not hearing the accountability that ought to have come from the police by now. I'm a bit perplexed because I heard that the charges that were proffered on the occupants of the vehicle were nothing related to the story that we actually heard. For example, I heard initially that they were shooting at the police and that a firearm was found. Yet still there's no one charged for possession of a firearm or attempted murder or anything to that extent.
Mrs. Je made the comments on Wednesday at a vigil held to celebrate the life of Arnold Joseph.
He was a loving child. He loved his sister. He protected his sister of everything that he had. He loved his school. Everybody at his school was his brother, his sister, his mother, and so forth.
I've been ill, and he have been there for me. Everything I asked Jonah to do, he'll do it. Jonah never let me down. I never had Jonah in any problem, but apart from now, like the saying that he's in that kind of situation there, that's all bad mind. That's not true.
In the 5 years at Entrepot, there's not one teacher who could say that Arnold was rude or disrespectful, always willing to help. Up until the day he was taken from us, he was at the school assisting teachers and just helping around. That's in the midst of his CXC subjects. He was a brilliant DJ. And the night he was taken, all he was doing was he came from doing what he loved.
But it's about time that we stand up to the wrongdoings that the police has been doing for a number of years. They have been getting away with it, and we all know that they have been doing it, being covered by the same police force. So it's about time we stand up for our rights.
Mrs. Je called on St. Lucians to rally around Joseph's family and to ensure that they get justice and the police held accountable for their actions.
As a community, we have to rally around this family and ensure that we get accountability for the police and we hear exactly what has happened. When young men like that are taken away from families at such a young age, it bleeds not only the family, but it bleeds the community, it bleeds the country. So as police officers, they need to be accountable for their actions. Whatever has occurred, they need to come out and say exactly what has happened.
She joins human rights advocates such as Miss Felicia Brown and Miss Mary Francis in calling for an independent investigation into the police shooting. The RSLPF were unavailable for comment on the matter. For the DBS News World, I am Sheffield Gillard.